I always keep up to date with the surf reports. Although the conditions aren't always perfect, being out there in the elements and making the most of what's in front of you is what it's all about. The OC3 is perfect for on-the-go cleaning. I can travel to any break or location and always have an easy way to wash down my board and wetsuit. The lightweight design means it's super easy to transport and packs away small enough to keep in my car ready for the next session.